Doing this unboxing for Ultra Game. Honestly, I love all their gear. I was really happy to get this. I'm a huge sports fan. I work in sports betting, so like, let's see what we got. Rather than just do like a normal unboxing, I'm gonna do a fact about all these teams as I get them. So like, first shirt, Green Bay Packers. This is about as Packers of a shirt as you're gonna find. You got the logo, over, repeat, got good colors, green if you're a Green Bay fan, like Lambeau, this is perfect. The thing that I love about the Green Bay Packers is just like out of control. Is like they have a sick, how many quarterback, running back pairings in NFL history do you honestly think have been dominant and had the same name? You have Aaron Rodgers, we got Aaron Jones. And like, truthfully, if Rodgers ends up leaving Green Bay, Aaron Jones is gonna become respectably a top 4 back in football. So like, this is sick. Packers fans would love this. Ooh, that's what I'm talking about. Look at this. Nice little LA Chargers, got that good color. It's nice and soft, got that hoodie material. We love this. I think my favorite fact about the Chargers fans, sorry for like the misfortune here, but like in 2009, the Chargers had the #1 offense and the #1 defense in football, and somehow they still missed the playoffs. You know why? Because they had the worst special teams in football and lost like, I want to say like half their games by like 1 score or less. So like under 7 points, like that's craziness. But like, yo, new fans, LA Chargers, like this is sleep. This is a great hoodie. If you're pretty much in anywhere that's not warm weather all the time, like I would wear this 24/7. Nice little spicy Heat shirt. We love the Miami Heat. Oh man, good material. You can work out in this real easy. I think the thing that I like the most about the Heat is just like the culture of the city here. Like the city in Miami, like people just grinders. Like Jimmy Butler's a grinder, Dwayne Wade was a grinder. And I like the fact that they have these star players who aren't like, as the league continues to adapt and change, you got like these 3-point threats everywhere. Like Jimmy Butler is not a great 3-point shooter. Dwayne Wade wasn't known as being a 3-point shooter, and they just like continue to like grit and grind. I know that's Memphis's logo or slogan, but like they just continue to grit and grind their way through. Okay, first and foremost, this shirt, I am not a Steelers fan. I'm a Baltimore Ravens fan, but I will say something that I admire about the Pittsburgh Steelers. In like 60 years of existence, they've had 3 head coaches. They've had Chuck Noll, they've had Bill Cowher, and they've had Mike Tomlin. And like when you consider that in the division, the Cleveland Browns let's say 16-year span have probably had 10 head coaches. Like that's just crazy consistency right there. This is nice though. Like if you're a Pittsburgh fan and you go to a game at Heinz Field and you're wearing this in the winter, like you wear this with like a long sleeve shirt underneath, like this is pretty clean. Like you're not gonna see many other people wearing this kind of shirt. Another good workout shirt, nice material. Seattle Seahawks. Okay, so this season everyone's buzzing about Trevon Diggs, who's a cornerback for the Dallas Cowboys. He got recruited to Alabama to play wide receiver. His older brother, Stephon Diggs, is a wide receiver. And Nick Saban converted him to corner, and now he's found all this success. And people are talking about that. But like for my generation, the OG one of that, Richard Sherman. Gotta end with the GOATs. Bulls, man, Chicago Bulls. Got that nice camo, got that Bulls logo smack in the front. You can pretty much wear this anywhere. Okay, most people obviously are gonna want to talk about either Zach LaVine now or Michael Jordan. But I would say, I think my favorite thing about the Bulls is the second best regular season team of all time in terms of the record was the 72-10 Bulls, and Steve Kerr was on that team. Steve Kerr was also the coach of the 73-9 Warriors. So like for as good as Michael Jordan is, and he's the GOAT, like maybe we're not giving Steve Kerr enough credit. Like he's been part of the 2 best regular season teams ever. But like this is sick, man. Like I would totally wear this. Honestly, Ultra Game's done a great job. All this stuff's really clean, really nice, lightweight, it's easy to wear. Like, I'll wear this stuff. But man, this is awesome. I appreciate y'all.